fake encounters, cordon and search operations, custodial torture and forced disappearances, incarceration of Kashmiri leadership, use of pellet guns, and destruction of houses has not succeeded in breaking the will of the Kashmiris. Kashmiri people remain steadfast and have written with their blood a glorious chapter of commitment, courage, and sacrifice in the annals of history. Contrary to Indian claims, Jammu and Kashmir is an internationally recognized dispute that has been on the agenda of the United Nations Security Council for over 7 decades. Pakistan calls upon the international community to take practical steps to hold India accountable for its gross and systemic human rights violations in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Peaceful resolution of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with the relevant United Nations Security Council resolutions and wishes of the Kashmiri people is the only way to ensure peace in the region. Pakistan pays tribute to the resilience and indomitable spirit of the brave Kashmiris. India's illegal occupation of Jammu and Kashmir will definitely come to an end. The entire Pakistani nation will continue to stand with our Kashmiri brothers and sisters in their just struggle for self-determination in accordance with the relevant United Nations Security Council resolutions, unquote. Message from the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Imran Khan, quote, Pakistan and millions of Kashmiris observe the Kashmir Black Day every 27th October to condemn the beginning of the illegal occupation of the parts of state of Jammu and Kashmir by India. It is also a day to commemorate the countless sacrifices Kashmiris have made and continue to make as they resist the inhuman occupation and subjugation by India against their will. India's illegal occupation was meant to suppress the legitimate aspirations of the Kashmiri people to freely determine their future, but even after 7 decades of brutal rule by Indian occupation forces, the will of the Kashmiris remains strong. We salute Kashmiri men, women, and children for their resolve, courage, and determination. Kashmiris are an inspiration for all freedom-loving people in the world. The long outstanding Jammu and Kashmir dispute has been on the agenda of the United Nations Security Council since January 1948. It is an internationally recognized dispute as affirmed by numerous Security Council resolutions. Having accepted the United Nations Security Council resolutions and despite the solemn commitments made by the Government of India to the Security Council, Pakistan, other states, and to the people of Jammu and Kashmir, Indian unilateral action of 5th August 2019 shows its sheer disregard of international law, global community, aspirations of Kashmiri people, let alone the United Nations Security Council resolutions. Unfortunately, today's India is ruled by our RSS ideology, whose extremist worldview has no place for Muslims or other minorities. This has led the ruling BJP to resort to more brutal ways for suppression of Kashmiri voices being raised to attain their well-deserved right of self-determination. It has been 815 days since India imposed military siege, media blackout, and other restrictions, along with unilateral and illegal action of 5th August 2019. The human suffering in the shape of extrajudicial killings in fake encounters, rape, and other gross violations of human rights is unspeakable. The introduction of domicile laws by the Indian government to change the demography of the valley shows Indian intention to change the ground realities regarding this internationally recognized dispute. Pakistan in the past 2 years have firmly opposed such Indian actions and unequivocally supported the rights of oppressed Kashmiris. Pakistan has raised the Jammu and Kashmir issue at every forum, including the United Nations, the Organization of Islamic Council, and bilaterally with important world leaders and capitals. Significantly, for the first time in 55 years, the Jammu and Kashmir dispute has been deliberated upon by the United Nations Security Council. United Nations Security Council has thrice taken up the dispute, thereby debunking the false Indian claim that it is an internal matter of India. Today, there is an increased scrutiny and censure of India by the international community, including the United Nations and other human rights bodies. But it is not enough. The dossier on India's human rights violations in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir that Pakistan unveiled last month should be an eye-opener for the world. It has irrefutable evidence of India's rogue behavior. The United Nations Security Council has the responsibility to take steps to ensure the implementation of its resolutions, enabling the people of Jammu and Kashmir to realize their right to self-determination. A just and peaceful settlement of Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with the Security Council resolutions and the wishes of the Kashmiri people is indispensable for durable peace and stability in South Asia. I reassure my Kashmiri brothers and sisters that Pakistan will continue to provide all possible support and stand shoulder to shoulder with them till the realization of their legitimate and inalienable right to self-determination. I also urge the international community to play its role in pressing India to stop forthwith its human rights violations in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, and let the Kashmiris decide their own future in accordance with the United Nations Security Council resolutions, unquote. Thank you.